Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? So, Dogecoin holder, today video is going very special for Dogecoin holder. And this is one reason. The reason is that today going very fastly in those days, and this is live price prediction of Dogecoin. So let's get start this brand video. But brothers, I request you, please, before I get start this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click the subscribe button, then I am updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So hope you subscribe it. Okay guys, this time you can see here the chant as absolutely and positive. This is the last 1 hour. I gonna show you the three charts, then we decided the aim to what's going on, what we do, and this critical situation. Every cryptocurrencies as goes down. First of all, I said that the market cap lost 10 billion. Absolutely, this is very large amount. If you check out the more information about this, then please visit on my channel and check your special video. Okay guys, so this time you can see here the changes of last 1 hour. Dogecoin as totally plus 0.97% going up. This is mind-blowing going up because every cryptocurrency totally goes down. This is small change but good change. Let's check out guys the last 24-hour result, the last 1 day result to what's going on in last 1 day. Okay guys, so this time if you can see here the last 24-hour result absolutely and positive. This is good change. You can see here 1.41 plus percent they can go on up. So this is good news for Dogecoin holder. Keep note these changes. You can see here the price as 0.06201 US dollar as the latest price. So not this price. This is very important for the for which we decide at the end. Okay, so remember this price. So let's check out the last 3 days result, and then we decide to what we do in this critical situation. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I am right. I am going to write Dogecoin. Everybody remember this to Dogecoin as very fastest cryptocurrencies. Yes, everybody know this. As you can see here 1.72% they gone up in just last 3 days. So this is good news for all Dogecoin. Today gone up like a rocket, and I hope at the mid of month they change, they make you a millionaire. They cross it 1 US dollar, or at the end of month they cross 1 US dollar. What's your expectation? Is good or bad? Please share it in the comment box. And my opinion, I cannot order you. I just share my opinion to please buy. If you have any more plan, then buy it or exchange it. Okay, please wait for the end of this month. And then sell it. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good profit. So I hope you enjoy this video. My opinion is simple. Please to buy and hold and wait for the end of this month. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. This is very important for everyone. Hope you enjoy this video. Like video and subscribe this channel for latest news. Allah Hafiz. Take care.